Hello everyone, this is Vidhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. If your iCloud email isn't working, do not worry. I am here to help you troubleshoot and solve these issues. In this video, we will go through a few common reasons why iCloud email might not be working and how to fix it. By the end, your email should be up and running smoothly. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Without a proper connection, your iCloud email won't sync or load new messages. For this, you need to go to the settings application, and over there you have to check the Wi-Fi and the mobile data service. Make sure that you are connected to a strong and unstable internet connection. Step 2 is to verify iCloud settings. For this, you need to again go to the settings, then search for mail, then see the account linked, and then check the iCloud. Make sure that the toggle next to the iCloud mail is switched on. This would connect your iCloud mail to your other mail accounts. Step 3 is to clear cache. Sometimes old cache files might cause problems with iCloud. Clear your email app's cache or browser cache if you use iCloud Mail on a web browser. Now to do this, you need to go to the settings and then you have to go to the storage. Over here, search for the mail application and then clear the cache. That is, you have to offload the application. After this, restart and update your device. The very final and simple step is to restart your device and get it an software update if any update is available, as it solves most of the software glitches. For this, go to the settings, then tap on general and select software update. And click on the update if any new version of iOS is present. By following these steps, your iCloud email should be working fine. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.